Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Instagram easily. So let's begin. So here we are in our Instagram, and from here what we can do so that we can see who we have blocked, then we can go here on the bottom right, tap on your profile and tap on the top right next on the three horizontal bars, and then from here tap on settings and privacy, and from here let's just wait for it to load and then go here into block. Under who can see your content, you want to tap here blocked, and you can see all the blocked accounts that you have right here. And to unblock them, simply tap on the unblock button. And once you're here, you want to tap on unblock right here so that you can now unblock this person. And it's now unblocking. As you can see, it has been successfully unblocked. And that is how you unblock someone on Instagram. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.